Yeah, here you can see touchpad. Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Windows on Lenovo ThinkBook 14 Gen 8 series. This is a laptop ThinkBook. This is the power adapter, 65 watts. I'm going to connect the power. We're installing with the flash, USB flash. This is the design of the unit. Ultra 5 processor. So have a look how to install the Windows. Connecting the flash drive, bootable flash drive. So these are the connection: USB-C power adapter, USB port, HDMI, Thunderbolt and headphone jack combo. And other side, card reader, USB port, Ethernet port and conjunctor lock system. These are the ports, and this is the design of the unit. Comes with a camera with privacy shutter, 14 inches touchscreen laptop, this one. So now I'm going to install the Windows in this unit. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So let's start. So booting from flash drive. It's automatic booting. 24H2 version, this one. So this is a screen. Now mouse touchpad doesn't work, so we need to connect the external mouse to operate. So we can operate with a keyboard also. I'm just showing you with mouse. So USB mouse I connected, so mouse scroll is moving. This touchpad doesn't work, so you need to use the external mouse. So you need to select the installation. Selected English US, keyboard layer also US. So next, install. So this is the first starting step to start the Windows, and it will show you what version you need to install. I'm going to install Windows 11 Pro. Select the and agree the terms and condition, accept. Next, I'm choosing the second option. Next, this is the storage, 512 GB SSD is selected. Next, so installing the Windows step by step. It will take 20 to 30 minutes, this step. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. So Windows install is going on. It's going to finish installation. It's a very nice unit for small office user and student also you can use. Comes with a backlight keyboard. You can see the backlight. Please like the video, support my channel. After installation Windows, here you need to do the setup. Windows setup we need to do. Select the country of region. After that, select the keyboard language. I'm selecting the US United States International. Next, if you want to add another keyboard layout, you can add here. I'm not adding anything. Skip. I don't want to connect internet now. So give the username. After that it will ask you password. I'm not giving any password. You won't give any password. Later you can create the password. Next. It will take 5 minutes to finish this setup. Getting things are ready for you. Simple step only, just to download the media on the flash drive, the latest version, and just follow the steps. So Windows installation done. Windows installation done. After this you need to download the drivers of this unit. So connect the Wi-Fi. Let's see Wi-Fi drivers are there or not. So there is no drivers for Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth. So I'm going to connect the Ethernet. Ethernet port is there. So going to connect Ethernet. Oops, let's stop the camera. So I have connected the Ethernet, but still there is no detection. So it's mean there is no Ethernet drivers and no Wi-Fi drivers. So now next I need to use the USB to LAN to connect. I'm using this one, USB to LAN, to connect the internet. USB port I'm connecting. So I will connect this LAN port over there to update the Windows and install the drivers. So here I am connecting Ethernet port to get the internet. See, here I have connected USB to Ethernet. So now internet is connected here. So after that you need to update the drivers. Go to updates, check for update. Check for update. So here I don't have an option to connect the Wi-Fi and no Ethernet drivers in this model. So I have an option to connect the USB to Ethernet to update the Windows. In the update all the drivers will come automatic from online, or either you can download drivers and flash drive and then install. If you don't have a USB Ethernet port or Ethernet connection, you download the drivers from Lenovo site and flash drive and install one by one manually. So there is an option, another way also you can do. So this one it will take time. Here you can see all the drivers is downloading. Some drivers already completed. So it will ask you the restart. So restart the unit. So once you restart, some drivers will come automatically. So after that you need to check any pending drivers still is there, mean you need to update again. So while restarting, please do not remove any power and do not turn off your computer. It will restart several times. See, restarting. So PC is restarting. So again you need to check. So mouse pad is working now, you can see. This touchpad is working, touchpad is working now. You need to check any updates are there still. Still some updates are there. Here you can see still some downloading going on. Some are already completed. Again asking restart. Here you can see Wi-Fi drivers also came. Remaining sound drivers still not yet come. So Ethernet is working now and Wi-Fi drivers also available. So still some updates are going on. So restart again. So remaining all the drivers will come. So this is a complete installation of the Windows after all the update ready to use. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. So automatically it will come once you connect the internet, and then update the drivers, mousepad, touchpad drivers, Ethernet drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, and camera drivers, speaker drivers, all the drivers will come. So this is the Lenovo ThinkBook 14 Gen 8 model Windows installation.